to change the touch control sensitivity in MBUX system in almost every Mercedes. Let's begin. So, let's get access to the touch control sensitivity settings by using the following screen and by swiping to the left. Choose here Settings. From list of settings, let's choose System. Under System, let's find here the control elements, and here let's tap Touch Control. As you can see, you can use the following scale. You can use the slow, medium, or fast. In my case, I prefer to use the fast touch control sensitivity to have the smoothest possible experience. So let me keep it that way. Let's close it, and as you can see, just save the following settings. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.